Hello, dear students. Myself, Reena Shukla from Stivage IS Academy. Today, we are going to discuss next pair of our questions from 26 to 50. So, let's start with the question number 26. Consider the following statements with reference to Upper Gangetic Agroclimatic region. This region encompasses central and western Uttar Pradesh. This one is correct. The region has more than 130% irrigation intensity and 140% cropping intensity. So this one is also correct. Upper Gangetic Plains region, designated as Zone 5 in the India's agroclimatic classification, encompasses central and western parts of the Uttar Pradesh. So first statement is correct. And in terms of agriculture practices, region exhibits an irrigation intensity of 131% and cropping intensity of 144%. So statement 2 is also correct. Option B, that is both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Then question number 27, matching of pass with the height from sea level. So in this, this Depsa pass, that is at 5360 meters. Then Rohtang, that is 3978 meters. And then Baralachala is 4850 meters and Banihal is at 2832 meters. So it is 1324. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 28, assertion and region. Jute is an indigenous plant of India. This statement is wrong because that's not India, it's Indian subcontinent. Because Bangladesh is also a region which is jute is indigenous to both India and Bangladesh, which is Indian subcontinent. Jute, reason is jute is kharif crop sown from February to June and harvested from July to October. This statement is correct. A is false, but R is true. But official answer key has given D, that is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. And we need to recheck revised answer key for this question. Question number 29, Lalanji. That is the author and the book matching. Lalanji Gopal wrote The Economic Life of Northern India. Then Habib and Nizami wrote A Comprehensive History of India, the Delhi Sultanate. K.S. Lal wrote History of Khiljis, and Dashrath Sharma wrote Early Chauhan Dynasty. So option 2, 1, 4, 3 is correct. Question number 30. Kunwar Singh, landlord of Jagdishpur in Bihar, led the rebellion against the British right. Lord Dalhousie recognized the adopted son of Rani Lakshmibai as their higher apparent. That's wrong, because if this had been adopted, then Rani Lakshmibai would not have revolted against him. So option D, that is only 1, is the correct answer. Question number 31. Consider the following foreign travelers and arrange them in ascending chronological order. So Ising, he came in early 5th century. Al-Bruni in 11th century. Hyun Tsang in 7th century, early 7th century. And Fa Hin, he visited I Sing, he visited in late 7th century. And Fa Hin visited in early 5th century. So correct answer is 4, 3, 1, 2. Question number 32. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Balban made his government firm and centralized all authority in his hands. Correct. He wanted to protect the northwest frontier against Mongol invasions. That could be the one reason that Balban has centralized his government firm or authority, but that cannot be the whole sole reason to centralize that. So option both A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. So D, that is both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A is the correct answer. Question number 33. With reference to Age of Consent Act 1891, consider the following statements. It was Behramji Malawari, a Parsi reformer from Bombay, who advocated for this legislation. That's true. The act was supported by extremist wing led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This is wrong because the act was supported by social reformer, but not by extremist wing. Because Bal Gangadhar Tilak opposed it on the grounds of interference in religious customs. So statement 2 is incorrect. So only one, that is D, is the correct answer. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, another as reason. Shivaji had to face opposition from big Deshmukhs. That assertion is correct because these Deshmukhs were not in favor of independent Maratha state and wanted to remain as feudal lords of Bijapur. That's also correct. And reason is, this reason is correct explanation of assertion. So option B, both A and R true. R is correct explanation of A is the correct answer. That is option B. Question number 35. Which of the following reasons caused catastrophic coral bleaching and mass coral deaths in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? So first option is increase of 2 degrees centigrade temperature in the Indian Ocean. Second option is increased industrial activities in the coastal regions. That's wrong. Decrease of temperature by 4 degrees centigrade. That's also wrong. Heavy marine pollution. That's wrong. First option is the correct answer because increase in temperature leads to mass coral deaths. What is the ideal temperature required by these corals? 26 degrees centigrade. If it increases by plus 2 degrees, then it will lead to coral bleaching and mass deaths. Question number 36. Consider the following statements with respect to Ashoka. The definition of Dhamma given by Ashoka is taken from Rahulo Vada Sutta. In the 14th year of his coronation, Ashoka appointed a new type of staff called Dhamma Mahamatra. So both the statements are correct. Option B is the correct answer. Though the definition of Dhamma by Ashoka is not directly taken from the Rahulovada Sutta, so option 2 should be the correct answer, but official answer key gave both 1 and 2 as the correct answer. So we'll go by that only, and we need to refer to revised answer key for the answer. Question number 37. Which measures are essential to achieve goal 4 of the Sustainable Development Targets 2030? So SDG 4, that is related to education. So we need to see which of the statements are related to education. Making education free and compulsory is correct. Improving basic school infrastructure and embracing digital information, that's also correct. Expansion of agricultural programs, that's incorrect. Increasing investment in technology, that's also incorrect. So option 1 and 2 is the correct answer. It is question number 38. With reference to economic growth, which of the following statements are correct? Indian economy is underdeveloped, most developing economy. It's the 5th largest economy in the world. Indian economy is a mixed economy. Yes. J.M. Keynes is the father of economics. Yes. So option both these 2 and 3 are correct, but official answer he has given only 1 and 2 as the correct answer. We need to again refer to revised answer key for the change. 39. Country and the rank. So India, we have to match that what is the rank of the countries in terms of remittances. So India topped in remittances. We know that continuously India only tops in remittances. Then Mexico is second. Then China is third. And Philippines is fourth. So correct answer is 2, 3, 1, 4. Question number 40. With reference to India, consider the following events. Nationalization of banks, formation of regional rural banks, adoption of villages by bank branches. Which of the above events can be considered as steps taken to achieve financial inclusion in India? So all the 3 are correct. They leads to financial inclusion in India. So option A, 1, 2, and 3, all 3 are correct. Question number 41. With reference to National Food Security Act, which of the following statements are correct? It will cover up to 75% rural and 50% urban population. That's right. It has special focus on nutritional support to women and children. That's also right. It was enforced on 5 July 2010. That is not correct because 2013 is the correct year. 5 July 13, but so 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 42. Which of the following statements are correct regarding RCT with e-governance? E-governance reduces the transparency? No. Just a minute. So we were on question number 42. E-governance reduces the transparency of government? No. E-governance do not reduce, but it increases the transparency of government. Reduces the cost of government? Yes. E-governance increases citizens' input into government? That's right. It increases bureaucracy and red tapeism? No. It decreases red tapeism, obviously, but because it increases transparency. So 2 and 3, that is option A is the correct answer. Question number 43. The UPSC derives its functions from which of the following sources? UPSC derives its functions from the constitution, yes. Parliamentary laws, yes. Executive rules and orders, yes. Conventions, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is option C is the correct answer. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Constitutional body and constitutional article. National Commission for Scheduled Castes is Article 338. Election Commission is Article 324. National Commission on Backward Classes is Article 340. Finance Commission is Article 280. So C is the correct answer. Identify the correct chronological sequence of the following. Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. So that happened in 1951. Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan, 1960. Is 65? Yeah, 65. And then Golaknath versus State of Punjab is 1967. And Keshwanand Bharti is 1973. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 46 is given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deals with declaration of emergency. That is correct. An emergency may take place at any time. This is wrong because an emergency cannot take place at any time as it requires a formal proclamation by the President of India based on certain specific conditions being met, like threat to security of India by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. So A must be true and R is false. But official answer key says that both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. So we need to again refer to revised key. Question number 47 is which of the following freedoms is not guaranteed by Indian Constitution under Article 19? So, freedom to own, acquire, and dispose of property. That is under Article 300A. It was added by 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. And it was removed from Article 19 and new Article 300A was introduced. So, A is the, because it has asked which is not guaranteed by Indian Constitution under Article 19 is option A. Rest three are guaranteed under Article 19, that is assemble peacefully and without arms, practice any trade or profession, move freely throughout the country. A is the correct answer. Question number 48. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as reason. According to the Constitution of India, the same person cannot function as the governor of two or more states at the same time. So this is wrong because Constitution says that same person can function as the governor of two or more states at the same time. That was added by 7th Amendment Act of 1956, which amended Article 152 to allow appointment of the same person as governor for more than one state. So Article 153 of Indian Constitution states that there shall be governor for each state. Article 153 of the Constitution of India states that each state must have governor, but the same person can be appointed as governor for more than one state. The Constitution 7th So assertion is false because Article 153 says that India states that each state must have a governor, but the same person can be appointed as governor for more than one state. The Constitution's 7th Amendment Act of 1956 amended Article 153 to allow for appointment of the same person as governor for more than one state. So this amendment was made after it became difficult to select the governor for each state. So assertion is false and reason is correct. A is false and R is true. So A is the correct answer. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Question number 49. Equality of opportunity in public employment guaranteed only to Indian citizens. So which articles are guaranteed only to Indian citizens? Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. Equality before law guaranteed to both citizens and non-citizens. This one is correct. This one is also correct. Altering the name of the state is not power of state legislature, rather parliament. So this one is wrong and this one is correct. C is the correct answer. Question number 50. Consolidate match with list 1 with list 2. Consolidated Fund of India. So that is Article 266. Finance Commission is Article 280. Financial Emergency is Article 360 and CAG is 140. So 1324 is the correct answer. That is option D is the correct answer. So that's all for now. Next 51 to 75 questions we'll discuss in next video. Thank you so much, everybody.